The Intelamp solar floodlights 1200 lumens deliver impressively bright, even illumination across a wide area, making them well-suited for driveways, yards, and entrances. Their large solar panel and high-capacity battery are efficient enough to keep the lights running through multiple nights in motion sensing mode without needing manual intervention. 3 independently adjustable light heads and dual motion sensors provide broad coverage and responsive detection from different directions, which noticeably improves outdoor security. Several programmable lighting modes and adjustable motion on time let you fine-tune how and when the light comes on, so it can work as either a pure security light or gentle ambient lighting. The housing feels robust and carries weather-resistant ceiling that holds up well against rain and snow, so you can mount it outside without worrying about storms. Installation is straightforward since everything is solar-powered and self-contained, allowing flexible placement on walls, fences, or posts without running electrical wiring.